They say the first $100,000 is the toughest mountain to climb. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be an uphill battle? When it comes to making money online, most people overlook the most effective strategies. But fear not, because in this captivating video, I'll reveal 9 incredible methods to earn your first $100,000 online. Prepare to dive into the depths of these strategies, exploring their potential timelines and ease of implementation. As someone who has amassed over $6 million through various online endeavors over nearly a decade, I can offer you invaluable insights and guidance. Don't be deceived by my youthful appearance. I started many of these side hustles while still in high school. Age is no barrier, whether you're 15 or 80. Now, let's uncover the most straightforward path to your first $100,000, teaching. You may be surprised to learn that being an online educator can generate significant wealth. I'm not referring to traditional school teaching, but rather embracing the new wave of education, selling online courses. It's an opportunity available at any age. In fact, I achieved my first $1 million through online courses before turning 20. All you need is to be 1% more knowledgeable than most people on a particular skill, and the possibilities are endless. People have even raked in over $100,000 just from teaching video game courses. Let's break down the math behind earning 6 figures from courses. Imagine selling a course priced at $1,000. With just 100 sales, you've reached the coveted $100,000 milestone. Consider the countless YouTube channels with over 100,000 monthly views. Even a fraction of those viewers purchasing your course can result in a substantial income. Personally, I make over $100,000 per month on YouTube by selling my course through this very channel. So, here's the breakdown. Choose your niche, create compelling step-by-step videos. Post your course on a platform like Hijabi, and utilize services like Digistore24 to charge for it. Lastly, promote your course through YouTube traffic, or enlist affiliates who will spread the word through ads, videos, and blog posts, earning a commission for each sale they generate. Embarking on your own course creation journey might not be your cup of tea, and that's perfectly fine. There's another avenue to explore for your first $100,000, promoting someone else's course. The beauty of this method is that you don't need to possess specific skills, or spend time creating your own course. Platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24 offer a range of courses you can promote. The downside is that you'll usually share a commission with the product creator. For instance, my YouTube course, TubeMaster and Monetization, is listed on Digistore24, with affiliates earning a 50% commission for each sale. If you earn $500 per sale, reaching $100,000 requires around 200 sales. Now, you might wonder, where do you promote your affiliate links to generate those sales? Fear not, as I will reveal some of the best traffic sources, which can themselves lead you to your first $100,000. But before we delve into that, let's explore the intriguing world of running faceless Instagram theme pages. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be an influencer showcasing your face in every post. Some of the biggest Instagram accounts I know never reveal their identity. They achieve this by running faceless Instagram theme pages, where they share valuable niche-related content. For instance, the Instagram account, Millionaire Mentor, has over 10 million followers, featuring business-related posts composed of simple photos with text overlays. You can easily create similar images using free image editors. Click to view. Once you've set up your faceless Instagram theme page and started sharing valuable niche-related content, it's time to monetize your page. One effective method is by promoting affiliate products or services. You can find relevant affiliate programs on platforms like ClickBank, ShareSale, or Amazon Associates. Look for products that align with your niche and have a good commission structure. When your followers purchase those products through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. Another way to monetize your Instagram page is by selling shoutouts. As your page grows and gains more followers, other businesses and individuals in your niche will be interested in reaching your audience. You can charge them a fee for promoting their products, services, or accounts on your page. Now, let's move on to the next strategy for making your first $100,000 online: dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without having to keep inventory. Here's how it works. You set up an online store, select products from suppliers, and list them on your store at a higher price. When a customer purchases a product from your store, you place an order with the supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. The difference between the price you charged and the supplier's price is your profit. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up and manage your dropshipping store. You can find suppliers on websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu. It's important to choose products with high demand and a reasonable profit margin. Additionally, focus on marketing your store and driving targeted traffic to generate sales. While dropshipping can be a profitable venture, it's essential to consider factors like competition, customer service, and product quality. However, with the right niche selection, marketing strategies, and customer satisfaction, you can achieve significant success. Moving forward, let's explore another method to reach your financial goal: freelancing. If you possess marketable skills such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, freelancing can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their services. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and experience, and start bidding or offering your services. As you build a reputation and receive positive reviews, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. By consistently delivering quality work and exceeding client expectations, you can steadily increase your freelance income and work towards your $100,000 target. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams by creating digital products, such as ebooks, templates, or stock photography. These products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or your own website. With the right marketing and promotion, these products can generate passive income and contribute to your overall earnings. Remember, achieving your first $100,000 online requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. It's crucial to choose a strategy that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. By leveraging the power of teaching, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, and creating digital products, you can pave your way towards financial success. Keep learning, experimenting, and refining your approach, and you'll be on your way to reaching your financial goals. Another effective method to consider is creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can package your knowledge into a structured online course and sell it to interested learners. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and market your courses to a global audience. Start by identifying a topic or skill in which you have expertise and that has demand in the market. Plan out the content of your course, including video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Once you've created the course, set a competitive price and leverage marketing strategies to attract students. Promote your course through social media, your website or blog, email marketing, and partnerships with influencers or relevant websites. To enhance your chances of success, focus on delivering high-quality content and providing excellent support to your students. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly boost the sales of your course and help you reach your financial target. Additionally, consider building and monetizing a YouTube channel. YouTube offers a massive platform for content creators to reach a wide audience and earn money through various channels. You can create videos related to your niche, share valuable information, tutorials, or entertainment, and attract subscribers. Once you've built a substantial subscriber base, you can monetize your YouTube channel through several methods. One common approach is by enabling ads on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program. You earn a portion of the ad revenue generated from the ads displayed on your videos. Another way to monetize your YouTube channel is through sponsored content. As your channel grows, businesses and brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. You can charge a fee for featuring their products or offering a sponsored shoutout. Additionally, you can leverage your YouTube channel to drive traffic to other income-generating sources, such as your online store, affiliate products, or courses. Include links and call to actions in your video descriptions, and encourage viewers to check out your other offerings. Lastly, consider investing in digital real estate. Digital real estate refers to virtual properties such as websites, blogs, or niche-specific platforms that generate passive income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Start by identifying a niche with high potential and low competition. Build a website or blog around that niche, create valuable content, and optimize it for search engines to attract organic traffic. Monetize your website through display advertising, Google AdSense, Mediavine, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or by selling your own products or services. As your website gains authority and traffic, it becomes a valuable asset that can generate consistent passive income. You can also consider buying existing websites or domains with potential and improving their content, SEO, and monetization strategies to increase their value and income. Remember, building digital real estate requires time, effort, and expertise, but it can provide long-term passive income and help you reach your financial goals. By combining the strategies we've discussed so far, such as teaching online courses, creating YouTube content, and investing in digital real estate, you can create multiple income streams that work together to bring you closer to your target of earning $100,000 online. Keep in mind that success may not come overnight, and it's essential to stay committed. Continuously learn and adapt your strategies based on feedback and market trends. With perseverance and a strong work ethic, you can achieve your financial goals and build a sustainable online business.